Uh, the campsite that we did at Vandenberg, right? Check it out. This is the story that leads up to that. We were pedaling. We came over the top of the mountain and we saw the little college, University of Davis or something, right at the top, right? And the only thing way down was to go down and then across Vandenberg Air Force Base because we had to go around the base, right? Because we just did. Right? Anyways, as we were riding up over the mountain, it kept getting colder and colder, and we couldn't figure out why. What the fuck? The sun is shining. And then as we cruised over the top of the mountain, it was fog as far as we could see, and the sun was going down. It was getting fucking dark, and we were fucking zooming down these fucking hillsides. We were coming down the canyon into the bottom where the unexplored ordnance part of the bases where the old bombers would fly by and fucking drop the bombs for practicing shit. So we're swirling down. Anonymous is fucking doing like 80 miles an hour with this big old fucking pack on the front of the fucking bike, fucking spraying water's just spraying this way off this fucking tire, right? Because he's got a stupid knobby mountain bike tire on it, right? And I'm trying to fucking stay far enough behind where I can still see him, right? But you know, right? But without getting all the spray and getting wet because there was just fog everywhere and everything soaked, everything was wet, right? When we finally got like halfway down, there was this fucking pull-off, right? And it pulled off right there, and there was a guardrail, looked really good, like a good spot. And then we looked at it, there was a big old fucking sign that says it's illegal to camp on Vandenberg Air Force Base. You will go to jail. Oh fuck, right? So what the fuck we do now? Because it was the perfect place. It was a windbreak. It was we would have been a lot drier than we were. So we said, fuck it, turned around, fucking pulled out, fucking looked this way, looked that way, took off down the mountain again. And when we got right at the bottom of this one gully, just before a bridge, there was a pull-out. And we pulled out right there, bang, and that's where Vandenberg Air Force Base campsite was, right there. But that was the story of how we got there. We were soaked, we were shredded, clothes were wet, skin was wet, everything
Brakes wouldn't
was wet.
work.
Huh?
Brakes barely worked.
Yeah, brakes barely worked. It was dark. We didn't have any light. That was at the point where we didn't have any lights, right? The only light we had was a little tiny head beam that Anonymous had, and the fucking battery was dead. You could barely see your hand in front of your face. That was it. Right? Pulled over, took our shit apart, looked at the sign, said, fuck it, camping right here anyway. We formed a little fucking circle with our bikes. We fucking got, right in there, fucking broke the wind from each other, went to sleep. Woke up the next morning with Officer Dude on his spot bicycle with the belt drive one. And that's where we are. Just thought I'd tell you guys that, let you know, a little fun. This is me, Brian, Anonymous, sitting on the side of the fucking beach right here. Look, looking at the sunset. Thank you.